Welcome back, aliens. In this video I'm going to explain on how to create custom filter in Google spreadsheet. To enable the custom filter, you need to go to data from the menu and click filter views and click create new custom view. So this is the one of the method to enable custom filter. And one more option is something like selecting the custom filter from the icon bar, create new filter view. Once you click that create new filter menu, automatically one dark mode window will get open. Here you can see that filter name as well as the range. So filter name, you need to provide that filter. What is the filter name that we need to provide? Okay. In the range, you need to provide the necessary range that you need to do that filtering. Okay. Here I need to filter from A1 to F16. Okay. A1 to F16. So if I click enter, automatically the filter got enabled in the first row. Okay, so let's assume here I want to filter that data from the round 1 column. That time I need to click the round 1. I need to flip the filter that clear data. If I click OK, only that data available in the round 1 got filtered. Okay, so this is the part. This is part of filter 1. And let's assume I need to create one more custom filter. The filter name is F2. The range I want to specify the same A1 to F16. And this time I want to filter the data in the round 2 column. Filtering that cleared values. Here I am having 6 records. Here we have created 2 filters. One is F1 and F2. But the data that we are seeing in the both filter are different. That means whatever the data we are filtered in the F2 will not be reflected in the F1, because F2 window will be acted as per the data we have filtered. And I am just closing that F2 filter. But in the main sheet, I'm having 16 rows, whereas F1 and F2 are having that 11 data based on that filter. That means whatever the data we have filtered in F1 and F2 won't be reflected in that main sheet. Okay, this is the main purpose of using that custom filtering. Because if we are working with multiple sheets and multiple users, that main sheet should not get modified. At that time, we should go for custom sheet, custom filter. Okay. Hope it helps you. See you again with another interesting video.